Hi, I'm Sven. Welcome to my workshop. Today we're looking at nailing. In particular, looking at the difference between a straight nail and a skewed nail. Now, I use a lot of skew nailing in my chest making so they don't come apart. So we'll hammer some nails in and see how they come apart. Okay, but to help with the process, I'm going to use 2 pieces of wood held in place by what's called a holdfast. So these have been around for a long time. The Romans used them. So what happens is that it goes into a hole through the bench, and then we'll put the 2 pieces together and we're going to hammer that in place. So that holds in place, hence the name. So it's because of the spring effect, it holds it in place and it's not going to come apart. So I recommend in your toolbox you have a bottle of nails and a bottle of screws, so they're handy, ready to go. Okay. We're going to start off with straight through the wood. So the idea is you hit the nail with that part of the hammer. Now it's easy to start a nail off by tapping it in place, then you get your fingers out of the way and then you hammer it in place. So that's straight. We're going to do 2 of those, just for comparison. Okay, we're going to try and get those apart. To get the holdfast out, you just bash the underside of it and it comes out. Okay, so that's the 2 pieces held together in place. Now I'm going to use the pinch bar. So this is the pinch bar or jimmy bar. So I'm going to stick it in the gap. Now let's go this way. So I'm just using the lever action, working my way in. That just pops out like that. So to get the nails back out, never leave nails sticking out anywhere, because that's just bound to cause a problem. So I'm going to hammer these back in. Okay, to get these out, I'll just hold that in place. You can use a number of different ways. For light nails, you can use a pair of pinchers. So we'll just show that. Okay, we're going to grasp the nail and just roll, and out it comes. So you find all different sizes. Big ones you can use for pulling out horseshoe nails out of horses' hooves. Now this is known as a claw hammer because it's got this claw. So you slide the hammer as far as it's going to go, then holding the wood down, you lever the nail out. So you slide the hammer as far as it goes, holding the wood down, and then you lever away from the claws and out it comes. The same can be done for the pinch bar. So it slides in, rotates, levers out. The longer the lever, the easier it is to move things. Okay, let's try the skew nailing. So I'm going to use different nail holes, the same nails. So it's about 10 degrees offset. And you know what we've done. Okay, so 10 degrees offset. Start it, get your fingers out of the way. Okay, and we're going to go the opposite way, so it's going to look like that. Okay, let's compare them by trying to get them apart. Okay. Okay, so that's a bit harder. There you go. So yeah, percentage wise, that's about 50% harder to get out. Again, with the nails that they're actually askew, we're going to have to hit them so they're straight. Bang. Same deal applies. Bang. And it's actually easier than getting them out at the same angle that they went in. So that's it. That's the difference between straight and skew nailing. Okay, have a safe one.